promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'll be showing you viewers how I basically fix my box braided wig, and this wig is 150 density and I purchased this wig from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, and I have a 15% coupon code for you viewers, which is my name @15 of the entire
This is a lace
side
frontal
wig with baby hair.
I'll
I
show you
also
viewers
have how I achieved this amazing natural hairline, how I fix my wigs. I actually sewed the thick elastic band and how I put on my wigs, and this video is much simple. This box braid wig, as I initially stated, is from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, and I was really amazed, so I decided to collaborate with them so that you viewers will have a discount code, just a little bit, if you are interested. Did enjoy this mini talk about this hair. Everything will be in the description box down below, so stay tuned to know how I basically fix this wig into this amazing